This is an SCR application in the power plant. Basically, in the power plant world or coal-fired power generation world, they don't necessarily call these air cannons, they call them ash sweeps. What's happening here is as they're burning coal, it produces ash, which also provides SOx and NOx, sulfuric oxide and nitrous oxide. So there's layers of catalyst that has a chemical reaction with the ammonia that's injected to reduce those emissions for the power plant. The problem is as they were burning the coal, the ash accumulation would basically blind off that catalyst layer and not allow it to, exhaust air, kind of like a catalytic converter on your car or truck. If that gets plugged, you lose your performance. So basically, without derating the plant, if they didn't have the air cannons, that ash would build up and blind off their catalyst, basically suffocating the emission system. So we are able to come in with a Smart Series nozzle, which provided that sweeping tight blast that sweeps that catalyst floor, blasting that ash back up into the airflow and re-entraining it to be able for it to have that chemical reaction reducing the SOx and NOx emissions. Done this in many different power plants across the country. Proven method, works very well.